Hey guys, welcome back to the Winds Up Cowboy. Today I am taking you to Big Lots and we're going to check out their fall decor and some of their Halloween decor. I'm hoping. I've been watching a lot of other YouTubers go on Shop With Me's to Big Lots, and their Big Lots has some beautiful things, and I'm hoping that ours does too. So let's go see what we can find. Okay guys, can I tell you I am obsessed with fall decor? I mean, raise your hand in the comments if you are too. I really want to bring everything home with me because I love it all, but I only brought a few things home and I am keeping my eye on some other things. So the first thing I want to share with you is this 50 count. It's Harvest LED micro lights, and these were $5, and it's a clear, let me see if I can get it, there we go. It's actually clear light but with copper wire, and I thought for 50 count I thought this is really good. Let's see, it's battery operated, indoor use only. It has a timer, 6 hours on, 18 hours off. 3 AA batteries not included, and it is total length 17 feet. So this is going to be really pretty somewhere. Not sure. I just couldn't leave it at the store. Next up, I found these beautiful paper plates. Oops. I have a glare in here today. Sorry, it's kind of really cloudy outside. Probably won't rain because, you know, it never rains here in Casper. It just snows. Anyway, I digress. Look at these beautiful paper plates. They were $3 for an 18 count. They also had oval ones too, but I think there was only 8 in that for the same price. So I opted for the round ones to get more. Gobble till you wobble, need I say more? This was $5 and I thought it was really nice. It's got a place where you can hang it and it's framed so it sits really nice on a shelf, and that's what I'm going to use it for in my kitchen on my open shelves. Thought it was super cute. Next up, this beautiful pumpkin. Look at the facets on this. It's so pretty, and it's mainly like that burnt orange, but it does have a little bit of burgundy and also some gold and maybe a tad bit yellow. But I love it. I love the curly stem on it too. However, there is one thing wrong with this pumpkin. It was broken. Don't fear, because I only paid $1.20 for this. They went ahead and marked it down like 90%, and I thought that is not a big deal because I'm going to turn it like this anyway. Probably have greenery or leaves or something that it's going to be masking that area. So $1.20, yeah, this one was coming home with me. Regularly it's $12. So yeah, not a bad deal, right? Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous the sign is. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. It is resin, but it is made to look like wood, and I love that about that. And then obviously the colors that are in this. It was $10, and it even has the super cute little bow, but you could probably pull that off and maybe put something a little nicer on it. This one's kind of seen better days. But yeah, I love this, and it is a shelf sitter. Okay, I know you guys have seen this tray. Look how beautiful. It has the copper detailing. Let me see if I can get it to really show up for you. Look at that copper detail on that. And it says grateful, and it is actually engraved into this wood, and it is so beautiful. And it was $15, and I absolutely love it. I decorate with copper anyway, and when I saw this, I'm like, yes, I have to have that. The last thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby, wow, I guess I need to go to Hobby Lobby. Big Lots was this pumpkin, and it's kind of special because it is a candle, and it just smells so good, and it's ceramic. And I do not remember seeing this on anybody else's haul this year. It was $7. I mean, can you believe that? It fits in the palm of my hand. Ceramic and a candle for $7. They had orange ones too, but I really wanted this white one. I do believe they had different smells or names for different smells, but they kind of smelled similar. But they smell really good. So if you guys love candles, pumpkins, you got to get one of these. So definitely go and check out your Big Lots and see if they have this. I don't know if maybe it was a leftover from last year and I just missed it, and that's why no one else is showing this in their hauls. But mine had it and I got one. Lastly, we went to Target after we left Big Lots because the Hearth and Hand line should have been out, but it really was not in my store. Either that or it had already sold out, but I did manage to pick up one of these beautiful picks, and it was $5. It's actually pretty long. It's not really a pick, it's more like a stem, and I really, really loved this, so I wanted to share this with you even though it's from Target and not Big Lots, just in case you guys were needing some extra little vase filler or a tabletop decor, something like that. Definitely check out your Hearth and Hand line at Target. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video, and thanks for hanging out with me and going to Big Lots. I had such a blast finding all of the new great things that they've put out this year, and I cannot wait to start decorating for fall. I am obsessed, as you know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you love fall, and also make sure you subscribe because I have all my decorating videos for fall that will be coming out soon. So you guys go and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!